Don't want you, need you, yeah, I need you to fill me up.
Hi guys! Welcome to another vlog. We're here for another vlog because we are playing the Genus Prison. We are need to escape because we are escaping the Genus Prison and we are here now and we just loaded the Genus Prison and we play now that and we are playing. I'm playing. I'm running. I need to escape because because I'm in the Genus Prison because I steal a gold bar.
Cause I'm preaching to the choir. Can I get the mic a little higher? Cause I'm preaching to the choir. Can I get the mic a little?
Guys, I'm sorry because I didn't know he are coming. Guys, we are running because
Cause I'm preaching to the choir. Can I get the mic a little higher? Cause I'm preaching to the choir. Can I get the mic a little higher? Cause I'm preaching to the choir. Can I get the mic a little higher? Cause I'm preaching to the choir.
bye-bye Gino. We now escape to the Genus Prison in the world.
Genius Prison in the world. Akin na. Alas 12 na. Alas 12 na kayo.
We are vlogging the Genus Prison because we are here for the Genus Prison. We are now escape because I
Ano joke is?
know how to escape. I'm vlogging because I want to buy a Lamborghini and a house. We are digging now because this is the deeper and scaring game. We are now escape into the prison. Oh no, I'm falling because this game is very scared because this is the prison of Genie because Hanswit don't like
What do you call these games?
this game is Genus Prison. This is the Genus
What
Prison.
are you doing there?
I'm playing the Genus Prison because I'm look at that guy. He are running.
He is running. He is.
Hello, Lelo baby. You are so naughty to be here. Go away. Your mommy don't send you here. You send you to death. I'm now.
Tama na.
And I'm real.
Cause I'm preaching to the choir. Can I get the mic a little higher? Cause I'm preaching to the choir. Oh my god.
I'm now
You're caught.
cut.
Cause I'm preaching to the choir. Can I get the mic a little higher? Cause I'm preaching to the choir.
I'm now escape the Genius
Ay, ano,
prison.
Jokisang, hindi mo
I'm
sasagutin.
escaped the Genius prison because this is so scary.
Ako mag-ano.
Akin na, scary na. Tama na.
Mama, nag-ano pa, nag-vlog pa.
Vlog pa eh.
Mga gabal. Tama na, alas 12 na nga.
Tatapusin ko to.
Tapin ko.
Ako mag-atapos. Ikaw mag-salita.
Hello, I'm now escaped. This is tapos ng mga easy way. I'm now escaping to that. I'm here now because I'm with the energy drinks. I'm so fast now. Look at me, I'm so fast. You can see now I'm fast. Oh no, I'm fall into the dangerous. How this is float? Look at this. How this is float? This is only. Oh no. Oh no, I fell again.
Tama na, ito kami.
Oh no, I fell again.
Jokisa. Dexter, oh.
I'm playing again.
Kunin mo na kasi.
Please. I'm playing.
Jokisa.
Tapusin pa namin to. Tapusin pa namin.
Pukpukin ko na
Ito,
kayo.
i-record ko lang.